Hello everyone, welcome back to Radiology Med Easy, your all-time favorite YouTube channel. Let's see today's case.
A 13 years old boy who plays football for the school team presented with pain in the left lower limb. This is an anteroposterior radiograph of the knee of a skeletal immature patient. Now, pause the video for a moment and write down your findings. Then compare your findings with the rest of the case discussion. Now let us discuss the findings. There are two abnormalities on this radiograph. Lesions are evident in the femur and the tibia, and they show different characteristics. Now we will see what are the findings in the femur. In the femur, there is a lesion of mixed sclerotic and lucent densities with destruction of the lateral cortex of the distal diaphysis and metaphysis. And also, there is a small Codman's triangle at the inferior margin. The lesion extends proximally beyond the margin of the film but does not appear to involve the physis or cross into the epiphysis. Furthermore, the joint appears normal. There is the impression of a soft tissue mass but no soft tissue calcification can be seen. Therefore, due to these features, the appearances are consistent with an aggressive lesion. Now let's see what are the findings in tibia. As you can see here, in the lateral aspect of the proximal tibial metaphysis, there is a well-defined lucent lesion. Also, the margins are well-defined but not seems to be sclerotic and with a narrow zone of transition. And also, it does not appear as expansile. There is no visible matrix calcification within the lesion. And there is no periosteal reaction, soft tissue mass or other aggressive features. So, the most likely etiology is a fibrous cortical defect. So now, what are your differential diagnoses? Please note that a focal bone lesion like this is a very common case. Also, the likelihood of a diagnosis depends primarily on the patient's age and site of the lesion. Therefore, we can take differential diagnosis here. 1. Osteosarcoma and also metastasis, especially in the patients over 40s. Metastasis is the most likely diagnosis when there is non-malignancy. Also, infection is another possibility. Now let's get on to the diagnosis. The osseous development in this film suggests an early adolescent. Therefore, the lesion is most compatible with an osteosarcoma. So, the final diagnosis in this patient is osteosarcoma of the distal femur in a 13-year-old patient plus a small non-ossifying fibroma or fibrous cortical defect in proximal tibia. As the next step of management, further imaging with MRI of the entire femur for local staging and assessment for skip metastasis should be done. Also, CT scan of the chest and imaging of the other bones can be done. Now let's discuss some key features about osteosarcoma. Osteosarcoma is the most common malignant primary bone tumor. It may occur anywhere in the body but tends to occur in long bones, most frequently in the femur. It typically involves the metaphysis and most commonly presents with pain. There is usually at least some sclerotic component and very frequently an aggressive periosteal reaction. It is worth to remember some key features about fibrous cortical defect and non-ossifying fibroma. Please remember, these two lesions are histologically identical. Therefore, the distinction is made on the basis of size, with fibrous cortical defects being less than 3 cm and non-ossifying fibromas being larger than this. Also, these are eccentric, bit expansile and have a sclerotic margin. These are very common, asymptomatic and frequently incidental findings. However, these generally disappear as the child grows. But there should not be an associated periosteal reaction or internal matrix. Please remember these key features. This may be very useful in your exams. So this is the end of today's case. Please like and comment below what you think of us. Your comments and feedbacks are very important in our future work. Also, please comment below what are the areas that you need to cover in our videos. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon so that you'll get a notification when we upload a new video.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.